Hi, I wanted to welcome you to ISYS 105. This should have been up earlier, but I've been having trouble with the audio, so I went out and bought a new microphone now, and so hopefully all this audio will work well. Okay, so I want to give you just a fast overview on this course. On the front page, when you go to start here, you should see the syllabus. In the syllabus, you can look at it right here if you want, or you can open it up larger, or you can download it. The main point here is this class has 3,000 points. It is made up of two groups of assignments, McGraw-Hill SimNet and Blackboard projects. They are roughly 50% each. You must do 3,000 points. Anytime you see any grade other than that, it is not pertinent. It is something that maybe Blackboard invented or somebody else or what you're looking at. If you do not have 1,800 points, you will not get a passing grade in the class. It will be an F. So this is a firm thing. This is my contract with you. Now, these assignments, if you go over to weekly assignments, it shows you what you should do every week. When you look at that, last week, you were supposed to get the bio project completed. Most of you did. And because I've put some of these things in here automatically, we're going to see about moving them around a little. But this page kind of goes sporadic. So we have to look at what we're doing there. So I'm going to move back up here now. The bio project should be in. If it isn't in, you need to contact me. We need to get it in right away. That is in Blackboard. So to do Blackboard projects, you always click here. And that brings most of the assignment up. It looks like this is the assignment. It shows you all of the information you need. It shows you the template. You can download it here. It shows you an instructional video. In this case, it's a little out of date. I need to get that updated shortly. And it shows you the bio page that I created, as for an example, and the instructions. But to actually submit the assignment, you always have to click one more time. And then that tells you how many points this is worth. Also shows all of that same information. And it gives you a place here to make comments and submit files. This is where you always put your OneDrive file that you're uploading. So you put the shared address always here. So for all Blackboard projects, you're going to be putting them there, and then you will hit submit. Okay, now, in addition, what I'd like to just mention is SimNet assignments. When you go to SimNet assignments, it will come up here to McGraw-Hill SimNet course. Now, when I go over there, I'll be in the instructors area, so I can't look at that. But when you click on it the first time, will give you an opportunity to use a 14-day free trial, or to buy a code, or to put in a code to use this. If you have any questions on this, again, feel free to contact me either by email, by phone, or by course message. Later on, we will have some extra credit. One other thing. Right now, you have 2 assignments. You should have been completed by now. One comment on the SimNet assignments. You are to do the SimNet book, not the assignments necessarily at the back of that book. Only the things that are necessary in reading the chapter. And then you have a number of projects for that same chapter. Those are the projects you do. They're on a separate link on that. Well, let me try and go here fast for you. It's going to come up the wrong place for me, but I'll try and get into that place for you fast here. These things so in the book, You just answer the questions and finish it. You do not have to do any projects. The projects are here. When you click on the project, then you have a file to download. You must download this start file. You must edit that file, make the changes, and then upload it. It will not accept any other file. The reason for this is in the past we had, last semester, we found a number of people who were uploading other people's files. So there is computer security built into everything here. This now prohibits you from doing it. That means that this time I will not have to flunk 20 people for cheating, and I will not have to send it to student conduct. But if you use any other file, it's not your file, it's not your work, it will not accept it. So that's all I'm going to go over in this video. I'm trying to keep these short, and I'll try and have some more videos on the other projects for you shortly. Thank you.